Abisan for your mamomo nya bracha me adan ho akwaba ye the last segment to aso amamwe no and ansema hodo ankrata ne de badwa so no ya yedi ehun komo bra abadwefo abeka yensa no ache wadwe afa ho no na empanifo a wotie nso wafa bi afimu fi sempani se sebi nyansa etese kwaya no ma ente ba ko fotim kwanso ye da kwantre sebi no tini yiye mu a ansa na ye bekoso kra no. Happy belated birthday to Danielle Jijo Ajo Adanu. A happy belated birthday. Yesterday was your birthday, Danielle Jijo Ajo Adanu of University of Ghana, Legon, from your mom, siblings, and uncle Eja Kwabena, and uncle Beba School now a barber show kama pa Aju, okay? And happy birthday to the immediate past presiding bishop of Methodist Ghana, very Reverend Debbie. So no, most Reverend no. Titus Awoche Pratt from Very Reverend Charles JC and his wife, Mrs. Amasapon Kuma JC. So, Most Reverend Bishop Titus Awoche Pratt, God grace you, God increase you, and God give you long life. Nyami Enshaw. Ensem no ene ba ababe bobosui na so mame na maboafo ya se me da MacBook collection ase wo empabwa edane da ode mame hye eye adwuma free MacBook 0244211491 na kaise bronya idie wa na ye to mpabwa no MPC nyina benya mpabwa wo chairman fo nyina benya mpabwa wo chese shoes a wode ko ba bia eye kama nti eya akwa assemblyman fo nyina nso mubenya mpaboa wo ho se mesere mu se muntoma ma 909 no musa muntomo mu nyina na physically challenged for na people living with disability for no mu wo mu nso nipa 22 di omo no so na ye nkyere se ye nya yepemu said you be at be ma kwan ma odinim de ani ni hyehu no eba ebeboa na face mokọ ni boy my lecture area Francis Chemantin a tie friend se Kofigo pachomo ne na ne wola pass honom na mo amunim said ya branti o wa ahofama ene said you person osom homa ne nsom tantra lecture area eye opi na mudini no edi na nkasa ye Francis Opare eni eje teacher ni ya wo chade e wa krakai ono nso mon kai no English teacher na so opese osom moma ne kwan na won somo kama pa me da Addis beauty ase for my beautiful braids if you say nra be pemene and come for ne doso me da mo ase pa mo kamfo me nyina eye me de se mo kamfo e ma ne meme nyina eno kra ne ma ne ye fese oba hu ne nua bo se me nua uti fatal is so beautiful. Inti manu me damo se me manu so makacha mo se me send mo numbers no na mako Addis odi mane nko ofre Addis obeba fie no aba bebo amano oti ho no wo bo fi se Addis oyobema inti wo mpa asem bia eno ane se oti wo se nwunu me yiriti se ya akona made no no nwunu owi anu atua ne ka se kyena so mihia wa mefre wa ma me yere wate Addis ne ho ha oba on se bre kra friend wo 02096272202 e wan so na betimi a WhatsApp no na wo book appointment ya de boa ne pan say wo be book appointment ne basa na de no nyina ho de amount na wa ye wadwuma no amount ententem so wo ko so Banana Inn Mabru Park Enchenwa Street ni 7th Adote Obo Street eho na wonom ewo abna sika se de enkra. Happy birthday to Peter Efriye, a photographer at Bronzette Multimedia, from his brother Atabuachi, CEO of AB or AB Films. Enti Peter Efriye, we free enti enedi ye na koso na wo bra en so be hwese wo bebre cake na bibia aye kama ene ye bon komo aye bedi bronya na nso abaye efuo yi ye wo ma adwuma sese wo mo ye kwan ben so no wo fa wo ye no ye na ne kwan so anaso wo ye wadwuma nti wo tietia nkrofo fa ho die so ye nkrofo ayakayaka de ye de ensese wo de ye wo nom se de ne anaso mi anaso reporter crusading guide e de aba no se AMA mayor wo mrante no they are becoming deadly abaye fo no sesi omu gisika efri eye adwadifo mi kan eye ne ayako koto ade no enti utu nwura gu basa onipa na fom na emu masembisa ne se kwan obefa so ane se obegisika ne se sika na wo je no se ye spot fine na receipt ben ne da so e kwo hwan ho wo je no sa abre no enu ne eha adwene no wo mo maba pavement ni so anano na yesere wo mo se wo mo mfiri ono wo mo cost store ni mu wo dwane mu no wo mo so yesi wo mo ya no pekura na kwabena ka biedie amanfo report wo mo de aba wo ya wo se matu afiri ha yesi obetu no na otu ni wi a wo se magye wo ne ma no wo gye sesen punishment obetumi ani si wo season ni pa ne niama no na wo de akwakosi AMA office ho abi kura enu office ho na nipa ni di wakoni aba no osu edu ba bi o se maame wo do ho betwa so what sasɛn nti ebedi ho nkomo ɛna afei IGP boye nyina ye kokko na titio wo to she police force no say stop attacking the police te said the brebi COP Kofi Boache kan ye no say police for no wo de state na ma wo maka de tu a wo wo ne papa ka wo wo ne papa aba wo wo ne papa belletia wo wo ne papa enti wo no mo state resources at your disposal so wo no nya nto nhye wo so a adenti na wo koto ahye ne so ye de nhwe ha sa ai say ye nhye damfa buo ma police for no eye ede ne ye be ya fa ho NDC fo aton coaches yi nyina sa no pana me ka che mu sleeper wo mo aton ni nyina enti opani joga te se nya onu akora na nani ade a enka keteke kwan a waye keteke be ne be fa so but wo se wo be ye te obi se wo se adan no wo mo aton wo mo ton ya mpa sesen na se kra ye no hwie nyi and NDC for so say aban so pesika ni bi na edi a won ka no kra ni onya de wo twa agum wo no de no twa agum se hanne ni 200 ya wo twa agum we 100 and 200 cedi nota wo twa agum we wonom dwen ho a wonom ntiase enti we ene ensem a anopai ye di ho komo that is time no e my kwan dia ye be try se phone nyina ye be ye but ama ye kwan ye be ye ne kaje bi Ora na say honorable member of parliament Emo Manfwa or watakwansiayem honorable George Mreku Duka or haise eja kwaba
yeah
bokozi
yankopone hu yen mabo
takwansiayem fu hu ya
nyamenadum bia ne hu ye waso apo be
oh nyamenadum anso apo mu ye bananse wo mo no oye western north na do western ankasa
western
oye western western north fu
western north is the osha si wo enchi side
oh okay nti sahwi
sahwi a win oh in no
na say wo ha won pa armed robbers no as a warrior no onye fine
western north
yes.
see western north
3 days ago we shoot two police
Christmas baby am there
and then so we call depot bi wo ka gis cafe depot keeper no no san what to them
very bad anopay main nuakoro ho so frame
okay
briefing me because meeting or radio do
okay
see my friend onom no zin can po from the mazi no wakodo na me so mat no radio do but I'm happy the police for no review but as in or stretch bia for the past 7 years that means 70 police for case barrier
okay
permanent impo
okay na still
na ekwan no so mo ote no edru ho a obviously into mo speed nti
kwano we tutu oye rough road another speed ramps no wodo oye
curve oye curve na hono so
oye amuni don't start odoka o say akaka on the kwana say
I don't know there's onyim
the minimum hopa
na amuni bi so dane nchan nti so even oye asphalted pa into mo speed oye curve but obviously kwana nye say when they be yasha say ye oho kwan no
mumienu nyina mo anya ade
road the message
mumienu ya because baby amunim say ehonom no wa ka 7 years ni e no mo de omoni asi omo so enti nke ye kwan ne kakra kra bi anka speed ni be peja kakra ma akromfo no mu nya kwan ko enkofo ho sa
mami say ye ne dama ye kan try dama hwe
by way peculiar
no yes I know there are very bad but let us be fair I mean I am my rahumpo there me or whisper in I don't know whether
say quine
I am my rahumpo and you know I'll forgive him but fair Ghana for the past since independence
okay
yan kwana oye only 30% out mam call independence but me jay remember 92 years started yan fourth republic
I think I'm running who research minister bi say MPB or cause I'm say our research bi.
Oh yes, only 30%. Then I am more trouble. Okay. And you've spent more years ruling this country than any other government. and you sit here now, Kwan in your Kwan.
Where are the proper Quemo? None you watch.
You're expecting us to construct all roads.
No, but
I am sometimes I want to discuss some of these issues dispassionately. Oh yes, I am very important today. But the
now from the NDC, Mr. Bismarck Ayite Abobi, Ayawaso West Wagon constituency chairman NDC chairman Akwaba.
Mini Joseph.
Now who ye dear?
Christo Adom.
Na monso kra mo hono problem kakra wo na say me call Madina me ko street light. Prince street light agenda wa me ejai. Me ko street light sika say me call Madina nkwanta nan. Me feel legon me ba down ni na monso kra mo hono light ne shedan. And our opposition ti emfa ho.
Oh, yeni ye be kasa ho nanso ho ana wo so ye.
En kasa keke obetimi akọ MC ho akọ hono ne na kasa.
MC di ho nkomo. Say honorable to me takwa na me free. Me busuan for takwa me call takwa secondary school.
Oh, okay.
Last week I me call takwa sisia me ne wo kase takwa krum. Na say muntimi nye trunk roads internal roads so muntimi nye.
Oh men yes na mo call ye nche na mo so mo.
No.
O can say 7 years.
2 years. 3 years down the lane to 2.
And mo ye kwan 2 3 years.
Oh na internal we patch internal roads no maintenance in the idea. Obi no wa tutu aye no devia maintenance. Come on maintenance go and see takwa. You'll be amazed.
I don't want to be amazed. I'll be here until Semekotakwa. Enti mo de moma yemfa new crusading guide e won crying. Na yenhwewe. Abisha for pacho me sem we ye se echina echi memenda e wo adwira asona busuan fie e na ye di openi osai kwadwo na wotweda no ntimi gina adwua manyene berima osai hwedie anemu ne asona de shibusu anemu maka chem so openi Charles osai kwadwo eta friend say osai kwadwo na papa na wotweda no ye di wadwua 6 to 12 enti mo amu betumi no mo mejaye me meya adwuma da ne so papa abayefo yi jisika honorable Bronya so na ebe enti adwadifo no be cash se na no president na catch adwadifo no se contractors yere no yetua mukununum ka e na mo so amoton ade kra sika ba contractor fo nsem ti on beto ade enti o mo koton ade no na abayefo no mo nkobra wu no o mo kra ade ne kankan
mami anope ma inchia ma so no sofwe
okay
oye sofo pon Titus our Prat.
Oh, okay. Oh, yeah, metalist ni won.
Papa. Nti anope bonizina menywaje.
Oh, okay.
Na efi so oye ifida nyambo achina na memende nyina all roads will lead to Tamale.
Okay.
Oye abrante na nabi. Na nodom oye youth forces wo yen party, the new patriotic party. Nina roko Tamale. Youth
wing na youth forces.
Forces in youth forces.
And we are expression. Can maybe say I'm youth forces.
Invisible forces no part.
Me patch there.
Hey chairman, Mr.
The team and the wing and every department of the youth groups.
Okay.
Nina roko Tamale. Bia Ghana yibia abranti bia edo oye NPP fo nyiche Tamale oye achina na yenyina yenkosom na yenhwe yemboa ma the future of our party will be sustained nti mobora na nabi na bado ono na ne nkrofo no dom nyina efi mame asama za tugwa no answer na mabaho no oye very critical issues na maka na answer na mabaho no takwa kwana mebeda oka ho asemi se eka route a ehwe Ghana nyina
we san akota kwa ho bi
meka road as because it's very important asema meka na de bia na me yaba no pofim I mean me yi party some film because roads is a very important aspect of our economy there say you develop your economy a very important aspect na ehwe kwana yezi hininwa is a akwando for 2020 budget and I'm so excited about what the government intend achieving towards ensuring that young roads are constructed. For example, Takwa, this is the first time we appear in budget in page 161 the Takwa Yebabe dualization from Takoradi to Takwa roads, which is very key and for the growth of our economy, in the circles of Takwa. I'm so happy. And Mama ye can say I'm a kakwana onye. And it is true onye yakwane Ghana yakwane it is true. And no government should in future print some books and create a perception there why Ghana kwani na kwasa kwani wanye
book bank.
And it is clear for all of us the previous government painted a picture as if the roads in that.
It's not true. Wow, Tiase Kwame Nkrumah breso 30%. It's will be Sasen will be then what defend it. It's not true.
Obama kasana kausu ya wa account dia nkameda was.
Sasa wa mwaka wa fanyina so bia ma de bia wo muka.
Ono de na adwen ye no no.
Enye na adwen.
Enti
Minister, member of parliament, you must be factual.
No,
this fact has been disputed so many times.
Facts are not truth. Into the mon Kennedy.
And the man in Kano.
What can we are now so account? Honorable.
It's Mammy. Say Yerka Akwana Sama. Yenshani who there. You better motivate each and every government. There in whatever we do, we make sure our roads are taken care of. Because it's very important. And I'm so excited about what we are doing in terms of Akwana zi keteke kwana so aban zinenywa ko opede oye. Oboboy and papa dachi. I mean, if we had done this and taken these steps, okay, medicine high and complain about roads. But onam the young yinsi na abani will take care of. And see, Mfa Namambra wasama again.
Yeah, but
I mean, my municipal chief executive. Da.
Oh, okay.
Na sometimes them city guards, as we call them mostly, say ebia assembly no suma hona. Sa anhwini ye na enya trained, I mean team a work wa obey nzeme bia assembly no on prescribe mamon. Another on count when ejuma ho oye the way. Because say wa sign you there oye ide aha ye tonzama or tonzama wa ha. How do you approach it?
Okay.
And call not inform Brian showing him. It is even against the law. The betchi people na bobren. It is against the law. You can't do that.
Okay.
Inti and when here now we take entrenched positions via affect the government. Now onye Nsroma was asuman. Inti I'll condemn any actor. Dam abaye fwaya or brubi. I'll condemn it at any point in time.
Condemn the be condemn near condemn we are na ede. Inti I no say wow jitum say ebi mo be broso. Inti say you train you more. First of all, how do we train them? And omo kwa wan you kosi omochi. Ehwe omo adwuma no say adwuma ye de ma omo no sa pepepe na omo ye no.
Say ehwe yankasa nipa na yesusu yan attitude contributed to some of these things. Because yenyim de Accra sabia oye baby a yenyina bro nyarebe traffic so where ko Accra Central bebre nti se we ntona aze wonzama okwan ho a it obe easy traffic ma one akwantufu won har one wotum no one a yefifi nkurase ye be ya airport bizigwa no yetum yakoback na se etona aze izigwa wo kwan ho oma nyipa retwom wona cars ni nyina ejina nti oma akwantufu a wo fi echiriba obizigwa za kono omo wo bre papa nti o de nyina ye boa de ye ntona aze wo kwan ho nanso nyipa yesu na ye ban yenyim de no azinye nso ye beye na se ibi bia na yenyim de ha osema me yemfa ha nti na afie bufu one na anhye ho do a na afie aka ya aze bia onfata no se na nyipa na so mpo na onyim de na mazi aha onyi de meba na aba no so na wetu binim de won bra no nyipa no boduru ho na no na ohihye na horoba nti ono so isu na woni mu no na wa aba
adwadifo no ADAM abaye for natem. Okay.
Nti bon isuna ebia owo nyipa ne mu ebufu bi a onka ne training na waza ama no ho no na waba na waya exercise bi aba. Nti yes, me kai the last 2 years or so. Bibi Damsi around Christmas time. And the same team, you know, I mean, Abaye Semia, some were investigated and were punished accordingly by law, by the assembly, while own dictates. Inti minimde ma we sibiara no, the mayor, the young man who is working so hard. Behede, she biara oho punishment bia oho mo wankoye we mambra. Why you juma? But
one side omo ton ade no. But it say in the case of Enedi bias omo so kotade wo dwam ho no. And almost so mutum regu basa ye did has been a see on phantom no atwatwene. And so yes sir omutimicho say wafum
on camera be
okay
the attitude. An attitude. I mean, miss it. There are 3 cardinal pillars in building a nation. 1, institutions. 2, laws. And the 3rd one, informed citizens. Now, when you say Ghana, laws, the institutions. Mawaka, I mean, now what yet? The informed citizens. You know?
Okay.
How many of us are well educated and well groomed today? The mazi onye and that is why it is important to invest in education. They are able to educate this nation to a level who understand the laws, who understand the institutions that we've established. I mean, at all costs, at any point in time, I will support any government or invest so much into education because it borders on education. And when we are educated, then we become informed enough to understand the otherwise, you know, Nipano on Sassinti, as no tono whom Poneka don't feel on feel.
Nampenin for a yen, I have some yardboy we ya. Yenko school be my yenko classroom be my ye ton dear no no. Ye better education, which form ye be
going forward, you also wasn't there. Able groom 1 hour shasano. Mayata. I had a ma 1 hour CCI 15-20 years ago when you hop. Kofu bin waba besha wana name.
Okay.
No, I mean majority of them weren't there. But it is another the education akoda nkawono we bia no woni ho. Nko once na ho. Until we need to educate. But it is important if you change, you can change. It is not only about a government ana nyipakubi. How do we change for the betterment of this nation? Better say. There, maybe or ideas to nature. Yes, Bronya Reba, Biboton as a kakra, the Wenya kakra, na other to Bronya Taribi, Amanaba, and I de witum when ya ne a Ghana rice be, now so one ya, or Bronya Birim. Nanso, how do we do it?
Okay.
Also on for or how be ombre or money. Important. In as much as they are by for one my SSS habim no. Imagine we free casido. And so na the tumina nomna munuanoma waternazi wakwahu de in de brunye or de tunazarazi. Then so a kwana yina yefim onye the button as it wakwanum. And she say yetona. When your baby or 2 doors, why your baby or come or a day, bia to alcohol, a market baby on waste market no baby, or do cotton as they want ton or pequan was it? Indeed, or a day could educate
or soma or maybe says or commonita or who say city guard we medinigina kimbo. And I say, medinigina Rollins Park, inti saying a city, and so Yasuma City Guards, name one. He said every day, sir complaints, but
they have a system of tracking. The winning baby will be arco. Teams in winning baby will be arco. And see, be to Kancham, they be oh, who day, damn Timmy, now, okay. On the own to me, those are no honor. I think they will buffer when it will be investigated and obia oye bibia onfata na onsembra no mbra nyine busy dem ose
me that say chairman maminti for the next 12 minutes say edru say ya ye beka so behwa ni say wa na ehihye bia ene die ya na ase na akofa ba na aba ni paper mu ntia ehu ka but day in day out no e ma adwadifo no e fa saade mu e wom say ade omo ye no wo mu afomde nanso kwan so e fa so ayi treat omo
yo medase na mechia ya hwefo anopei mechia ye mfragbara John Dramani Mahama bio bi anyame enka ne ho say AMA ni edwadifo nsensem yi enye na asem na ekwan ebe fa so a ebe solve sa problem no ye aban na wo so ye san hyehyeye no hwe AMA ska omojeje they can be able to build better structures so on basis a dan say ya bronsan kura no basis a na mamifo no obi anya ba bi kotena sa asemu yi esubetwa ana say even the central market area no central area na yedidwa ho no kura no say other municipalities no create their own market obi free ayawa so west sanse market ni ayawa so west inti osesa ni nyama no de kwa akara central obi wa other municipality sanse market papi bi eni ho nti no oswa ni nyama no de ko enti na market development very key upese ye maame no mo nso omunya ahoto na omudi yese omuton omade a market are very important enti John Dramani Mahama will not relent on his effort say baby also see market papa bia no obesi
and say baby on so mo market and so then I say akra no say they can CBD Central Business District just say enema bi ho a obekodwa kesim
yes
and wakwa akofa ebi so kura free Ghana mia hodo bankran eba tu
enye obi ana won frustration e wo ho na enye obi ana person na ka obekọ ho nanso san say nipa no ni enable environment bi wo ni locality or ni nyama no begu ho no ono de beko no we push traffic akọ it is a person reduce traffic in Accra generally enyama bi wo ho a e wo say AMB ni timehwe say sa nyama we dia ha na ye beton no say what you say say the whole ayawa so west na ye wo market purposely for used clothing obi opa used clothing on central business area so kwa akoto used clothing say what you say these are the things I was say yeah now at the end as if him kakra ni say AMA workers no or your bylaws are ye fa omo ye train wo mo send your omo adwuma city
okay
now so there ni da no omo buso san say wo mo pese omo benefit financially from the market women some of the situations it doesn't demand po say wo be gini pa nyama free nsem na say wo pa bibie free maame no hodi no wo se no wakosesa ne nyama ebi wo kura nyama ne be ba no na ayira ho na akwa akobisa no
if it's a one na baby is age
yes as a police enya bibia na wo say police chi they are there to also educate enforcement doesn't always mean say you arrest and prosecute you have to educate AMA bylaws no account down na so omo ko no omo educating gofo be no de omo nye na so nipa no follow victim then wanya worker no exploit maame no wagini nyama bi ho nyama bi watimi ko gu AMA ho na asai
abomfu twokra
odisika na ato prosecution kura po so omo prosecute omo kura na bia fee bi na obe mu be charge no obe fa ne nyama no eno kura up and down Intimesere announce revelation no clear say nyama ekoso no enye say AMA na training the workers in year they should start training and monitoring must be key omo ko ho no they have supervisors BBC what punishment na edema supervisors no yentimi nye bibisa ade a ene eda ni da ya mamifo no omo ho be kire omo na mamifo no so mesere omo ene da metie interview bi o say omo wo inside ho obi ama ho enti no omo I decided said they will come to the pavement e di nyama na be poapoa nkofo so mbeto bia true say we ase ayedin nyama mu ayedin bom enu kire say usudi mra be yeden e be hye wonza sesi a akɔyɛ Christmas nti police for okrom AME for okrom ensuring say wɔn control traffic and uko boom rat so now the nyama kosi baby a ɛwɔ sɛ nipa na ɛfa yɛbɛkyew
ano de
enti wɔn nso no yɛto gyinamoafo no na mɔmɔni nso yɛde ne sie sɛne ɛbɛyɛ a gyinamoa onyɛ dɛ onhu enti mɛsrɛ yɛ maamefo no me me ya me hu saa nyama ne bia because ante obi akɔgye 2 million akɔtɔ ade asoa na waba abɛgye efiri ne nsɛm sika no so kɔbɔ obusia ho nyama no kɔ sika no kɔbɔ obusia no so waba abɛyɛ ka ɛda no so ebi no mu su kyerɛ wo ante areho enti no mesre AMB omo education koso enye nyama ni nyina na punishment they should educate the people now we should expand our market infrastructure.
Okay.
Ubeko akra no baby aye ton momoni no ho na ye ton atade enyama bi wo ho it is environment no aye disorganized. We need to look at those things. Here Medina area ho it should be an area specifically for certain foodstuffs. Upa no alcohol. Uba ya waso no wako uko amasaman se body na wa amasaman a upe body a na wako upe youth clothing a ehimfa na obeko upe mpaboa ehimfa na obeko these are things that was say yes sir ye divert traffic to different locations
na said ye dwa nyina to aboma futu frei ye betimi segment na ye ne said
ye process na sa process no because we was say aban ye focus no musi market for such purposes. Yetimi si market kura warehouse nka market no ho na ye open na nipa no beton nyama na infa na odi beko
na nyemu mo no ya manyefo
na make
nyemu na mo si market no amaye
but at the end of the day no there has been a process.
Okay.
Marketer John Dramani Mohammed see ye Kumasi ho ni ho keka ho no market is well structured. That is what uko Kumasi says here. Market women they are confident or background the dresses are all day bano fit into the area they are locating on no majuma no ye the sarma me no o free ni shelves ni na patemu ho enko sofola is all kwa akoto nyama ho onye sa ade no enti mesre ye tu momone fo no na gina mo aso ye kasa kire said ye be ya enyama be koyi
one point yes, on the market issues yeah echo even Amsterdam we have street market, but such a way we're regulating no. I am do be and there, them street or a fun or a market and you go and even have fun and do your market. But we are not taking advantage of certain things. I saw that UK so we're backing almost Sunday marketing to
cheap things and probably watch our store
street though. But because I regulated
street it's Sunday no mumba but Tuesdays and Thursdays on beshe nyama na no pom beshe e bedru anwum ro bedru na ho asia ye fite
ebo tumi aye ne de e be ye free Central Market and ye ko ye nyina ye ko bia agoploshi ohona e bia and Sunday
market
street market
oma oye fun and oyi nzama bi fiwo de ye honia center bibia one place ye nyina ye ko but yes ye bia nsi market yes market is good na bi wo hompo na eisia bo we na agojifo no wonko ho bi te kaswa what happened. There were so many, even Mamu Krum.
Senior before Mubesi no, and they are your man for problems. Since I am moving back on developmental project now,
we need to engage the people.
Kasa, now Mumu say Mupe no waha. If he says a man for one come when they are your problem no.
Yes.
Kasa for the Omasem no, ye and Shadan to Omas if you feel say, yes, see drama Mumunkum. Almost a quine wa. Baby also be a reef will be on the idea sound more or more. Ye beg you, Musika.
Or a day ye engage in Crawford. Ye ma what I say. Na one po watch the ahana yepe. Ahana zima hena yina yepe. I mean obandama na dam engagement record or solve. But ye ne de ni nyina is be ya man you say na yin we see the market in the yin we see the market. I don't think we can move forward.
Thank you. And your
money to market our Kasekas way. It should be constant effort. Say ne market ni panko e kwan be ne be fast one ni pa be ko enti ene say omo ton sa de we nyina ye kwoti said ye okay ne nyama ni nyina is directed towards kaswa
na ye dem paboa na ye ko
opa braho paboa ye cheap ubenya use good papa ubenya they will come So what you
so munye bibi ebema ehwaye akono ama
every Thursday near the mpabwa na ekwa Friday near the dia aka ho enduane aka ho.
But don't forget
gradually
that already these markets market days to say Accra Central Way. I think Wednesdays and Saturdays market days.
Yeah.
So those days I remember there were days that a man for Beka say so ya homacha kwa Accra kotadi if say sada no kofani ama fine. Ebi onso an kontemumpa traffic beba. Enti kaso afo so mbe wo market day wo.
Omo enti conscious effort we can add. Market day should not be only one day. Enye da ko pe na de hia obi. Enti say market day no yesi ene uba kaswa dwom ho a konto mria papa bodia papa menkia papa yams a papa na obenya they will come. Definitely the people within the neighborhood will patronize. See gradually no say the whole day.
Yeah, no so ye kan ho so ye de mo ankan ria nche ye so ye mpedua no mu ko. We like buying from the traffic and the roadside.
One empe convenient we say obi ani ho obeka say woman convenient a onje madam say odi banam farm ma wo be nanti akoba bia obenya ade no because ade abo bi na o say didie kwan enwa. Say what you say. Did you kwa but onu wa ba na odi ade na be puan wo traffic light no mu no. On nantin ko convenience nti obeto
beautiful attitude ne dey
attitude. Me bon say mre bi bedru no upe ko obi kura obekọ shopping mall mu Accra. There should be malls around that people will be willing to walk in.
Unimneti abesero minim me sister bi oko mo si oko to je dem say uso ni ase me oko to je ne wo mo. Interesting but chairman arena muton train no sa mwanya de gra sika no so munya ase.
Mami medase trains and some dey idea ehun hia say ye ka but how are almost ya capture no
yeah
so u chiri na utia ubeka say ya ade bi a obi aye mfomso say what ya say mfomso bi wo ho say amfa mra kwan so no mo de ton ya eno nipa kro ton ye no e wo say obeyi na no na the nature of coaches are near wo kakra bi kurampo a eno ye se ye papa kra ye jato ho no eno na nam tre kwan so na apatre na akokutu nipa egu old Kwame Nkrumah Breso coaches. Modern, you cannot use it. Ebi wo hokra enye serviceable. Enti ye be maintaining for what purposes?
Oh, enti na ye maintaining.
No, one can assist scrap. What is scrap?
Or say you sold it as scrap.
Yes.
Not necessarily say yes scrap.
Engineers will classify.
It wasn't scrap, but you chose to sell it.
No, engineers will classify the thing as a scribe or not. Yani adwuma o mining mu no wo mu every 2 years bia no equipment bi ni machines bi wo ho a yes ye classify no as scribes na ya ton so ye mra kwan so ye fa so ye dey eton but so bibiara wa food train bi da and as a wa train station wo Accra Central Tema na se takrade na se second D na se sa coaches ni bi si o na ye de si o se wo brabefo a ebi wo kura city ni ade a utwi kura po a upia kura enye yie is waste enti se ye ton a e wo se ye ton enu ntina Melsi ba be free so ma be free so no there were new coaches. Second D kwan ye second D takrade ye say new coaches na ye de buy.
Okay.
E was say replace it.
So I was going to ask say Nkrumah de ne tete de ada na muton obi je be you should have sold all.
No, ten a process. Ebi wo ho a usable. He said ye dey two sa kwan we so amasa mine na move ko Accra ni
red gold green there no.
Yes.
Dem okay.
Ebi wo ho a dada ni bi ye but ye hu say bi nye because nanse ya MPP a brace on buy no mu use we bi say what ya dey bi wo ho no but e kokakra na apatre free rain so
okay
na akoye den agye
let's say muton ye no ye mfa ne say scrap na say ye tete dade muton ye no de munya free mu no mutum de tobi be sha anan
de make a chair say train coaches in there answer na joma ma be free so no ye bi takrade kwan a secondary takrade ye the new ones in the buy me person obi ka kire me say coaches na ye ton ye no ya mfa mra kwan so na ton ye anasa sika no kodi obi botom ni endi e kire as o man say what you say but yan kanisa ni e ko kanisa ya ton ni tie ye boni a enye boni me ka jo former president Kufuor Abreso railway lines no dade no kura no ye ton bi wo ma yi mu.
That is not true.
Ye ton bi wo man yi mu yes tombi scrap ewo mayimu but ye nyama bi sa no ukoye se ubetwi obi abo so se wakoton ade no nso ade asei a eguo etimi bisa jogate honorable madam bisa no mami se sa akochi no wo ho a na ko di be si 3 kwan so se Ghana fo mfo ana se ya antona nke wo ho a o di be si kwan so se Ghana fo emfo ana. That is the question I say obisa na bisa
na ko betimi putting into another use.
It is not possible. That train is not possible. How do you know say start say any accident no mo a grandi ni nyina a omo nyusu bio. Says ya bisa o say dey no grandi omo nyusu bio. Ade anya na enye obi aton se skano na oba na ayira ka che Ghana for so train that coaches na ye ton ye no amfam da kwan so yamfa procurement process so obi aton di ahye ni boton me meboa me yakọ sa ni pakro no san say e your mind dey ejapade. That is the discourse we should be looking for. By say aton na say scanner ira ekodi aban side say what you say na ubeki this claimer is not founded. Say scrap materials yaton na yedi ba beye propaganda opa obe kan kire me say sa coaches na e wo ho a na ke gu kwan so a ekota krade
ma honorable do
na
kan
ya hu bia a scanner fa
na ade so say nye dadie bia betim dia ye bibia na mama daily guide man headline said ye jama train mo no bi ne ya ton no na de
ma me ebia keteke nsam no me nue onyim.
Okay.
Onyim an ko nsam o ken konka
sa
kra keteke nara oh ye train sa your friend. The idea abrofo no what the shase wo Ghana ha there from port to port. The Ibia Takrade port.
Okay.
Was Zamabiba as about Tama port.
Okay.
Now ye cocoa was actually cocoa. That was the main idea. Was it?
Here the name for passenger. Name
That
more
is
of
that
cargo.
How they started.
Cargo
That is how the whole thing started.
Okay.
Then was the train Zama. And the Ichiri Kwame Nkrumah ne Pendo. On social passenger some beam. Ah, off with Tama as a back and cran.
Okay.
Name fee na Nkano Kukumasi. Abuchu mako takwa twiu na mawumi nde ehwe coaches was about often locomotives.
Okay.
Oye dazibia we molder say ehwe ne lifespan can spend not even more than 150 years. That is
a used locomotive engine.
Baby passengers what's no.
Okay.
Na on one some the year can see there.
Oh,
200 of those in the NDC are banned. What 20 scraps? More car 27.
Wait, so you had to buy how many years?
Say, it be 50. It be less than 50 years.
Okay.
Obotum na ya maintaining ni na 27 okay no. Ye botwe no yemfa ni mu one po ono po we nyinisen ma watono no.
Okay.
Yemfa ni mu one po nye scraps ni nyina no yetum yare fabish
wafa nyina ayemu 10
me say meba
out of the 27
no me kasa ye guda 27 no yetum ye to okrumpo nchen yetum ya ye number 5 akotakrade.
Okay.
Locomotives no. You good yes about 3 or 4. And so yes about tema. Even merba himpo. Keteke nam kwando pa anope.
Okay.
Na hwe keteke kwan asema na orikenya. De kufuo ne pendo na wotwitwa keteke kwan wotone. Ono so ayesro. Kufuo ne pendo na ye nyina Ghana ya twen na adwene ke si. Oye keteke hia wo hia de train kwan ana ye bofo keteke nti oto asoya wo hwe keteke do.
Okay.
And that is where ye nyina ya adwene kodo no oye de yes chase de yes ye keteke ni baba.
Anya de o kan say mo say no but ebi ono ma na ne purpose no it has outlived the usefulness.
Mo wa say ya we yi no oye kwan no lines no na chede was bibiri sha ho.
Okay.
Ebiwa wa moa because all these years nya abandon to campaign ku for ben no so no yem fa ye nwan ko keteke
Okay.
Na si ara menyo kase mampanyin na nado danko akufuado nyame hye no papa wana mona orutu oketeke kwan ho hwe si akoso mbo nso odahwe warba butwa tunnel was afasa keteke botum afase no wotum zinzama zefi ha akọ awunamem ibi akọ northern region na yetum connect all our regional capitals na seketeke zinzama akọ dam regional capitals here you can imagine stress all ye kwano do accident all ye kwano do obefi ho
okay
ama ye road ya bia 3 years 5 years wa say no onam pressure wo kwando nti we reduce which is there oh ya some papa na me oye ma roho de ye mferimpo de ya ton ade no na so ma ton ya ton scraps no de ya ton nti ya ton oh say inyi abana pedo san so bi Ghana for yedu bio for what reason there as in hu ya no atan on mferimpo as ma ton ya ton ampo na me joba kedo ya ton po no ya me do de wa kan no kwa
reason nti ase ade no dade no ye dania dade am prode so dade bi wo no mu edi ewu ebewe na ache udigu amfa nye hwiti enti
no mo ni party na no rada na ka ye dada ye ton ye replace
e ka se na mo ha enti no ya maro ho
basa ni ye easy dia ade nti na 27 ni mo so dada fe na muten na motimi aye
hey mami ibi abetra da enfe pete pepe wontum anya kedi ko ne zan do otan ebi mfie ba sape wetum waye esuan waye no fofra ambana bado no ye kurumpa nkama comfort de bi aton 200 ni mu wenhu papa biara wom no waton scraps so bi kare waton as scraps a chede ebi wo ha ne bo no chede adofo de kra o ze chempo ebi wo mpo ze beche ohia wom na bible o say nyame amma onyimzi bia nzema nyina hintaw nzema nyina o hintaw chide hu papa ehu ndo ye bon
nti o mu sheda na ade no emfaso wo so na enso mo na say enu oton a edian na ye de ye sa no
anu gide bisa ho no woton eba ze na o de say oh no say bisa so
what no so me shase mbisa no ba say wo kasa ade no nkensei sa
on say
ye locomotive ne so won faso no enti na mbisa say omo ne so won faso sa na ensei say bia wo mo be smelter dia ye bibi foforo dia ene in the state omo ton no no e dia biem no betumi dia ye
nka obotum wasiesie na wetum ababak na onam de wonhu ndo mfaso na waso na wadwene nyi ho wo keteke kwan sem no dunti ene woja ne dama wotane and bisa ho say what they brought new locomotives how many locomotives did you bring how bisa
contemporary
locomotives also
missy train passenger train secondary takrade road she madam enyame bi wo ho a moma yenka ni wo betra so obi nim die a meka kire se unso unim die efa sa ensem no ho no ewo fom o ka akoso mo die onim die no owie sekedi takrade no from Tema Harbor to Akosomo is under John Dramani Mahama and as our contract no come into force and you start here Jumanu or Wabreso it why don't you acknowledge no say it's part of the contract madam what for sakwan so that Tema area how for
which contract
I'm so guess na
obi of first one who say omo ye railway
we just started it. We just started
oh, madam, maza. Mun kanu kure. Politics no kanu kura ungu. Ye ni timemufo na ekasa. Ye nimtamo MPP eba abem. Any time as a project ni start here. Mo ba ye dia project na mwetimi a start and ananado. Kwa kura no 2017 18 19 20 na musi mo be ye kwa. Sa akoso mo kwan no is under John Dramani Mahama.
Oka kwan.
Akoso mo trade kwan. Is under John Dramani Mahama. Oh, mami, hwe mommy ndi nukura me on wo mama politics nukura no yan young was edi mu sometimes me dakra me dwini ko etire say nukura di nukura yi madam enye say unim say akoso mo kwan under John Dramani Mahama ni award contract ni start wo mo ye betu wo mo
company signed that contract What company no sign them contract?
But man,
as our
one more tie Ghana for
mensu adan ora ho.
Me wura ho say one more politics kura sometimes you know who die chira ya na wase use film. Mami, bisa womo wo tema area ho. Ye two womo ye ko two womo a ye siesie land no for the project no. Bisa ne say na MPP address one na. Mo betu.
Let's make it easy.
Mo betu ade you should acknowledge say.
Na mo de ma e bia oh ye starting process say amotaka we na ko facilitate dey botian ba ye.
Obisa me say contractor ye de man na. Na cement me am contractor specifically am company
na
contractor
such a huge contract
contractor no your company
channel I believe obey
but why should that be a problem because yes at the end of the day development na mo pa
mami entina sometimes you know acknowledgement is very key. We program we are omo bu a wo nyina say we acknowledge wo. What beto bisare say tunnel no e betimi akosi ho without the railway connecting it. Obi na ye na ejuma e no waba na wabeto aso ti acknowledge oh ejuma nipa we start ye no ye be ye but mu ya de ni ti say de mu bai omo kire ye ejuma ba ko a aban yi ba watimi aye hwe afro barometer report e ba ye
and na ye nkan afro barometer ma won say that won ti na
na sometimes omo ya ba de omo kasa omo kan
you have that moral confidence
to talk about
afro barometer.
Honorable, thank
Mama
you.
Politics
Comment John Elanti Van der Poy says the IGP's call is very critical and shouldn't be taken lightly. I mean, the role of the police is basically to protect the citizenry, while the citizenry is to respect the police. Now, both situations have crisscrossed as the civilian has no respect for the police and vice versa. This is a serious threat to Ghana's security. Akwasi obeying the Jesu Besias, yeah? Honorable Howard Kumson's ministry, special initiators, is constructing more markets across the country under the 1 million per constituency. So Ghanaians should be patient for the NPP government when it comes to road rehabilitation and construction. What NPP government has done within the 3 years is unprecedented, especially major roads and town roads. Antonio Obenyablade Fiakuma Zungu Takrade on NDC selling train coaches issue. NPP a bunch of lies. They should go and ask President Kufuor, who saw the train coaches as crap, instead of governing the country to the best of their ability. They are always on Mahama and NDC government, who are out of power for almost 3 years. The railway minister said he will send rail lines from Tema to the north. He has not been able to achieve even 1% of his promise. Eswati. Champion Boss says, good afternoon. Open time, morning. Good morning, yeah. I'm really enjoying the show. In fact, I feel happy when I see you on. Okay, thanks. That's a compliment. I'm grateful. But, thank you for the compliment. Max Yopoku says, good morning, ma'am. I know you are not talking about this issue, but it has become my headache. Please help me. Hey, but Facebook name me, sure said no would so. He they be out the ball, say on your 5 A's, 2 B's, and 1 D. Our English, and no university is ready to admit me. But my friend who had 8 6 C's. C no 6 sign can won check kakra bi no wadu D. Sa makomako 8 is now in university. Please, as a country, let's talk about this. I have. Empress Nabako says, good. God should have mercy on Ghana with the way our leaders are handling the country. Every one of them is hungry for power. Kwabena Safo Asufua says, Nanado is the all-time president. Greetings to DC Madam Rebecca Yeboah and Honorable Benito Usubio. Let me see. Man Pierre says, Nanado is really moving Ghana forward, so let's support him. And then Sandro says, good morning, yeah, to you and your guests. A lot of market women have shops, so but they like selling on the street and pavement, and also need a problem, no. Okay, so Enra. Minority a press conference. It's Messai Astronaut Buduka. Namako chairman who be him say 100 cities, any 200 cities. Unfortunately, say on ye MP, but me sure say we free NDC mu dear. wobetse the parliamentarians ne ka ye no edi asempa ne wosi kan fi se mo kan se o aban kra benya revenue amu busa se ka wabo wo ma ye hu wosika yitwamu afi all of a sudden mo san say ai na enkrofo kra wo mo GDP billions and trillions kra wo mo highest denomination 100 enti mo ntia se ye twa 200 enkanu so emu eduro eboa yen monte governor in church mu na se
ya me da se eboa wo no ensusanso oboni ewo man no sikasem no so nyame anim no kranie wo hwe the volume of trade ewo mayi mu a ye encourage edana na Bank of Ghana boss beka kire yen se ewo set isi ye hwe se ye sikasem no ebe ye electronic se ebe fa befu kwa so internet so na ye die trade electronic cash. Yeah, that's already week time. No was about say, who the 200 cities, 100 cities note ever. But as I said, we APA 2017. And I start hinting about I say Nanado Ebi Chasa SK. Yeah, can you almost no. As at 2018, yeah, can you almost no. Woman Jessica Bia and yeah, die home so. Some say Ube Jessica. Na sika mienu a utwa ye no ekoso o mayi
enti omo de ayi musulia na
eno na parliament for workers on be frɛ
enti say ya mama na enti ya na ye mo problem no samote ya ne say ye launch new notes
mame ayo mind ye ebu omo gina ya na mu no parliamentarian enti nyame bi ti say no say ye tini ebisa the president and his team no e was so mu di nukure magana fo wo si ade no untwa enti sesi awukotwa aye no die ne ba ya awukotwa aye mo akotwa 153 million e ka mo di twes ka no pe no na sesi ka no so ehia betimi aye kwa betimi aye hospital betimi aye mpuntu djuma obi bisa se ye 50 cedis note na aye edi no at least for America wo mo highest nomination $100 $100 no e cha no mo hu say features no aye common na amafo betimi atwa egumu a no mo strengthen features no na o mu di wo mo $100 o man kitwa we uhwe ye mpuntu mu nsem a enkoyie enya siketwa na be ma ye puntu aba e yo man ni hyehyeye e na etimi di mputu oba na
bata nim di fo akase sika no so se mu ye duru saa eboa e ma eni amanfoforo so sika no etimu egina pre kakra nti in a way no e beboa ye
enya no kre says ya okuta $1 now the Ura Forest Bureau na say banker say 5.3 me kuta 50 notes 500 cedis na me pay $5.3 say quantity nensa say me kuta 200 cedis note so kuta me quantity nensa the same thing na obekwa akoto but the woman
say yensa ni bebre ma so I remember say governor ni can say at least when we 200 cedis albania $40
and say ya ehu hia say o mine ya encourage say sika mbe hye nipa ho no mfa nante sika mbe hye nipa ho no mfa nante say sika no mu yedu nti eno de hye nipa ho a e wo say ya encourage. No, because we are operating cashless system, digital system of running.
We are hoping to get.
So says Yasikana Bano say start implementation on between scan every system no more. It has come to stay.
Madam, but the ebe in circulation ebe kakra.
Yes, so what do you encourage people? Says you are more encourage say ubetimi the 10,000 Ghana cedi ahye wo ho a obi ehun says cash wo. Are you not encouraging this?
Because 200 no more.
Yes, we to be the 20,000, 100,000 crowd. We are to be the ashawo. Ubi anye den ehun. But say we for ko we are. We to me aka say sikano shanti sunti. No the to be the ashawo. No, sikano mutwa ye no implications bebre wo man so. Me maame na oton ade wo kwan ho no. Oton jollof, oton rice, oton nsuo no. Say me sika ka me nyina ye 20 cedis, 200 cedis note. Na me yi na me to pure water obere no wanyanti sama
na so nso ani ni asema ye kita 50 no 50 nkoto pure water
no mami unkuta 50 a uhutumi kire so pesa uto ade be 2 cedis a ukuta 50 cedis nota unyanti sa o mai muda
ebi happen to na forex no wagin sesa It's allowed.
Mammy, to Nam says you out here, no pay now 50 cedis pen a cow. In so come the open vortic bottle 2 CD 50 pesos at all. Now beside we mean, do you know the first special? Sorry, special. And also in super papa could be gumika mukura. Now part bottle casiano said 250 cedis, 3 cedis. Now could have 15 note. Do you know the frustration you go to a nice you come do? You've not faced that frustration before. And Yama, no more quam no more dear. Wake up. But who's no esoma omo e bi obi kuta 200 note that didn't see 4 cedis on yan sisenti o say okay na manyanto one money partner e den e lose business but there ya back on say mehu but mehu say nipa obi ti say Dr. Kwame Nkrumah you can hate Kwame Nkrumah you can hate him but the what giant to her for Africa and Ghana no you cannot take it away. South 2 cities in Ananado repress any Bank of Ghana boss you
Kweno
ehun hia
aden
hwe yesika ni nyina sika Kwame Nkrumah nko anti daso 2 cities note wo bi a yi wo wallet mu nehwe enu nko na Kwame Nkrumah nko aniti daso as a former head of state
wo so asembe no wakofa be me adwen mpo
hwe wo bi a de yi hwe
you are just stretching the argument.
I'm not stretching. It has political and some hatred connotation.
Oh.
Yes.
I know nyeshe.
Na so sa na why notice sa na we say you no.
Chairman.
So person Kwame Nkrumah edin free esika so ni din free sika no so ntino.
Na bisa speech say na enfan kam.
Oh edin kabomba na ka wanya all ye no na ka wo so odwene. So omo ye Kwame Nkrumah fo no so they would think say papa no person you free.
Say opese sika no eba Nkrumah.
Do you know how it costs?
Do you
know how
sometimes you can take an action without overstretching and
say no be make no say sa na the implication na hwe utwa sidia utwa kwensa mame ni boy din say obetwa paper kwensi no ni boy din metal na ye na ni di twa kwensi no ni boy din sin paper eti dia na wo say na na do di kwensi ne ba kwensi no so one CD note ye kuta wa chena 50 faro pe wo be say na scanner start ife
one CD note
one CD coin no o say ekuta wo na check akra wo hu bia na efedi. Secondly, politically they want to tell us say womo they know how to spend money and the 50 note is too small for them, so they can only spend 100 very well in their campaign, they can only spend 200 very well in their campaign. Sikano is meant politically for them to come and spend and cheat us. You know the quantity of mutual quantity aba Sikano mucha ya minu mienu ni quantity aba. Parliament said there be manusi. Parliamentarians say omrambe kanchi omu number of containers abe kurum ha containing the 200 cedis and the 100 cedis note. Send your beya we can trace where the excess money will be going.
Thank you.
Yes, sir. Say better if you do near kasa dama minjizi do bobo awetefo. Now I thought to say the bema wa withdraw no apologize. The Nanado or Jen. You don't talk like that to your president. I mean, there is a Jen. I can cast an American.
I think say Casa Munsem, yes, sir.
No, only me didn't come on, no, Bisa said,
a dead pan and now Pesahoka.
On that basis, some minute and a back and forth. My so far is a didn't another attempt or I mean, and I mean to mean didn't attempt. That's the patch.
Yeah, because say, yeah, Casa or a day, yeah, Casama and what's issues in a tackle issues.
You think on tackle issues? Why is so many issues?
As some hurricane, it's in and then you twist Ghana. And then you recognize it. You recognize it there.
Why raising Sasa? Why raising system? My cashless. Are they not?
You eloquently even educated your viewers at a point. My kind of reason. Yen kama. We azamna iya no pe wie o hwe onyen de ene yetwe sika wo Ghana yeze Kwame Nkrumah ni tira na n'enyim rotodo abadinti. So why abadinti na want to one for Kwame Nkrumah ni tira antodo when na wo twa go sika no enyim de Kwame Nkrumah na offer do wo ni tira to sika bia do Ghana. Why ana this time when we just na when you tell me the is
redenomination there na ye na bi no mutwa ba nti enye so mo brought new note the order no and na so mo di bi be kan ho so it was like restocking.
Yeah, mobile matcha 5 CDs, matcha 100 CDs, matcha 200 CDs. Mudi esike 20 year farm.
Pacho me da asimi anu na okasa no mi ana no kama pa.
Me da so.
Honorable.
I say yase sesika ana 2 CDs.
2 CDs na maye no coin no. Ansa na obeka 100 ni 200
they had the chance of ye change sika ni nyina ye kwa community that do. Ane. Say pede kwam community na e pede ye sika. You had the chance of they be.
Is it a matter of they had the chance?
Obviously, that is what he is claiming. But I don't know what my viewers want to hear.
But politically, no, or baso. And I say you are not interested in the obetrum baso. It's too late.
Abane Tresika. Ma ohia inde. I will kasa na mekade o. I can easily say whatever. Asembi beke mekade o boa ayano kwa. Mekada mna se minyinjina dubia. Namankasa papa. Ma ohia there. There are indicators. Oh, chede aza anamone rutu no oya no ye. There are indicators, clear economic indicators. Now mo ohia there. Me ya hye so pa kase there. Sis ya say obi kita dollar na so kasesa na se was CD remana. Wo no kita ni se mpofu.
Ene pafu da so
oh
anya se pese avoid the pafu na papa ko 4 year reading obligation
ebesesa sikano
okay
dollar ebia me find $200 you get a sheet 2 pe
okay
to represent $200
okay
say even po na say ikita one more 550 notes in pa still odo so papa
a dollars to say $200 now kita 15 notes be 10 pieces be say
na say wuti anye ye na say konya 5 pieces so
kita
bocho nti obehia de yebotum na ya line yen sikano with that of the dollar.
I don't know so much interested in the dollar because day in and day out. Omo catch and say announcement be announcement be sending me from Daily Graphic. Dollarization of the economy. Omo kro omo de niema rent omo and now omo ton ade omo quoting the dollars in omo bu omo animals. But yet musumu consensus can na yekasika sembia dollars.
No, but
why?
Only a different. I'm a matter with you do. Matter with you do market
China ni nko compare ni yuan no to dollar say oh say me 100 yuan make it $1 or $2 and say me problem.
Mami, into na Ghana. Then kede ebia embo any other money. I may say even in Cuba, say even hotel na say ikita dollar. I always advocate there's the need for us. There's a BBI trade as far as trade is concerned. BBI be no Ghana no yenye CD.
Okay.
But that is different from what we are discussing.
All right.
My discussing in there. Oh here they say to can baby. Na say any card to pay. Also so in cashless idea no. Yeah, also a different.
A bad because yes, say ye call cashless. Any arguments, might say financial analyst, economist, cashless. No, yes, you sign this new note. I can say yaba. You are discouraging.
No,
and
we need to. Yes, I understand. We need to educate people. Now you to me make some of these comments because say was a sika and I would sika nimu yedra. Rather no all my yahumpo harien in terms of handling of sikano. There, yes, sika, yes, ako baby, bullion vans, or sika, ebia sikano doso. Okay. We have other denomination. Now, what is important in there? Masika ye chano will handle sikano ye chano very well. Two, ma onya so nye there transparently. Yes, about to go. Easy time. We just couple one bump on the money they even spent. And this time around, everything or the whole fame will be out there. Yes, we spent so much. They the
most spend days saying
yeah,
Canada parliamentarians and Ibisa must say most spend days saying quantity saying na
sometimes press conference I'm say NDC what back power through one MPs. We organize a press conference not less than 450. 450. Into one press conference for them because when you made the one person clear mandate there a pedibisa question you table it before the speaker be free minister no appear before you
anytime street question way Chairman, that's my Mr. Street question. What about man for Mukasa? Cano 50 no cry, free to now your man show. Now, fade 200, 900. And to be a Juma Bosume, 200,000 or quite near 205 years to get you any Uncle Pence, and also I ask him, what about this kind of street questions?
It borders on attitude and education. The how do we educate ourselves? The how do we handle our money? The Yesikanumpono, Ibia, Intumpona, Enfansia. Nemum ebia ozbogu card do baby a etum the cashless aye ka wansam and sikasu kitawa bohwe na Adam street question is very simple. Let us continue to educate people using your platform. Anytime you sit here they kita sika hwe
there be airtime in the bank of Ghana
but very exciting yenya dem akwenye na yetwa dem sikei.
Okay.
It is important today you be managing economy
well. And
of this thing
Honorable George Mekuduka or your MP Takwansuayem and Ora Bismarck Aite Abobi or Yayawaso West Wagons constituency Chairman Emma NDC. May da Addis Beauty I say for me braids na Mada Magro I say for me shoes and Studio Fix for fixing all my beauty needs. Nyame Enshamo Ochana Yebeba.